Inna a'tainaka al-Kawthar. We've given you the greatest, the most abundant good.
Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "At-tajiruna as-sadiquna ma'al anbiya'i yawm al-qiyamah." If you're an honest businessman in this world, you will be resurrected with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the day of judgment. Allahu Akbar. You're an honest man, you try to have halal. You didn't go down to other people, started to open restaurants and alcohol and businesses that are haram. You kept to what you had to keep to. And you said, Allah has said, no, I'm not going to do it. Allah has said, no, I'm not going to do it. Others were there making haram money. Others were selling drugs. You did not sell drugs. Others were there trying to make money by cheating people in the market. You didn't do that. Others were there trying to rip off people. Allah says, وَيْلٌ لِلْمُطَفِّفِينَ الَّذِينَ إِذَا اكْتَالُوا عَلَى النَّاسِ يَسْتَوْفُونَ. Allah says, woe to those people who when they take something, they want full in their honor. وَإِذَا كَالُوهُمْ أَوْ وَزَنُوهُمْ يُخْسِرُونَ. And when they give away to people, they want to give less to them, they don't want to give their full share. أَلَا يَظُنُّ أُولَٰئِكَ أَنَّهُمْ مَبْعُوثُونَ. Do you not think that you're going to be brought up on the day of judgment? أَلَا يَظُنُّ. Do you not have that consideration inside you? مَبْعُوثُونَ لِيَوْمٍ عَظِيمٍ. A great day. يَوْمَ يَقُومُ النَّاسُ لِرَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. When people will be standing in front of me on this day, do you have no fear inside you that you cheat people in this world? You go around doing building works for people, and when you do building work, you take money from them and then you don't do their job properly. You sell a car which has faults inside it. If you were to buy a car, you want it to be intact. If you were to buy a house, you want it to be the best house. But when you give your car away, you sell it with dodgy parts. When you sell your house, you sell it with dodgy parts in it. When you sell the milk in a little village somewhere in the world, you put some water in it. When you do this, oh person, do you not think that you will come in front of me on the day of judgment? Allahu Akbar.